Firstly, we will make the ice, and then we thinly slice the 2 limes and 1 lemon. We then put the lime slices into the ice tray, as well as the lemons. And then add water. Freeze overnight. In a saucer, I put the sugar. Then we will rub the citrus lime or lemon to the rim of this 350 ml drinking glass. Of course, any drinking glass will do, but this is to get the idea of the measurements for our next ingredients. And then we'll put 3 pieces of our lemon ice, and then 3 iced lemon slices. For clear soda or carbonated or sparkling water will do, and fill up to 3/4 full glass. Add orange juice up to the rim and the mint for finish. You can also add sugar as per your taste preference. There you go, our refreshing citrus mojito. For more mojito ideas, head on to 5 Refreshing Mojito Recipes.